Moving on now, amid the intense row over hijab in Karnataka, the Madras High Court has come out with relevant observations asking whether a country is paramount or religion. The court was hearing a petition seeking to prohibit the entry of non-Hindus, foreigners and atheists inside a temple. The High Court observed, and I quote, "What is found from the current affairs is nothing but an effort to divide the country in the name of religion," unquote. Mugilan joins us for more on this. Mugilan, of course, these observations not being made in the context, or rather not being made in the specific Karnataka case that we're talking about, but nevertheless pertinent at a time when this conversation regarding hijab and attire is currently underway.
As you rightly pointed out, this observation from the Madras High Court was made during a petitioner when he asked for a particular dress code inside temple.
Okay, we're having some trouble with that audio line there. We'll try and fix that in just a bit. But just as Mugilan was telling us, the Madras High Court was hearing an independent case, and these observations came during the course of that hearing. Mugilan, back to you.
This observation, a very important observation from the Madras High Court, was yesterday for a petition. The two petitions was made. One is seeking a dress code inside temples, and another petition is to give a direction to the HRNC department for not allowing non-Hindus, atheists and foreigners inside the temple. So as soon as this petition came up for hearing, we saw the acting CJ posing several questions to the petitioner. First, regarding the petition of asking dress code, we saw the CJ asking several questions, asking was there any complaint of indecent dress inside the temple, and he has also made an observation that in other states there are dress code in temples, but as far as Tamil Nadu is concerned, it is the particular temples which decide on what dress that should be allowed inside the temples. And he also made an important observation stating it's really shocking to see someone fighting for hijab and others fighting for dhotis inside temples. So these are the remarks that is coming from the Madras High Court Chief Justice yesterday. And yesterday we also saw another petition seeking no entry for foreigners, non-Hindus and atheists inside the temple. And during that observation, we saw the CJ asking the Tamil Nadu state government for clarification, because the petitioner wanted a direction to the HRNC department stating that anyone who enters temple should have any religious signs on their face or any part of the body to indicate that they are the believers. And if a person who has no faith in a particular religion is allowed inside the temple, then that will pollute the sanctum sanctorum or the purity of the temple. So he sought no entry for these people, but the Tamil Nadu state government has already informed the court that there are several boards being kept by the particular temples about the entry of non-Hindus inside the temple. And he has also stated that even in the temples where the others are allowed only till the flag post and not anywhere near the sanctum sanctorium. But a very important observation that the Madras High Court Chief Justice expressing his shock over people fighting over hijab and people fighting for dress code inside the temple. And he has also stated in a secular country like India, these issues should not be racked up to create enmity between people.
Mugilan, thanks so much for that.